Lakewood Ranch, Florida. What a great place to be. Today I'm out here at the Isles in Lakewood Ranch, and this is a Toll Brothers community. They happen to have a model come back on the market, and this is on lot 148, and it's called the Solana model. Now, someone didn't buy this house. They were getting close to finishing completion, and for some reason it has come back on the market. And as you are well aware, that's going to make quite a flurry of activity for someone to be able to purchase this home. So if it's of interest to you, stick around. I'm going to have all the details coming right up.
Which looks better, 1 or 2? 2 or 3? 3 or 4? 4 or 5? For a complete checkup, see your local realtor.
Hello, I'm Mark Boehmig with Michael Saunders and Company, and in this channel, Living in Lakewood Ranch, we cover all the areas around Lakewood Ranch, Sarasota, Bradenton, Anna Maria Island down to Siesta Key. So if any of that sounds of interest to you, just click that little subscribe button and ding the little bell so every time I put on a new video, you'll be notified. So I'm out here today at the Isles. This is a Toll Brothers community. We are just off of University Parkway, and we are just east of UTC Mall, just east of the Lake Club. And this community is quite nice. I'd like to show you this house so that you can see the quality of build that Toll Brothers is providing here. So let's go in and take a look at this house. So as you can see, it's pretty near completion. They don't have the driveway in yet, and they've got quite a few things to do on their punch list. So this Solana model is going to be close to 3,200, maybe just a hair over 3,200 square feet. And the person that had selected these upgrades and features in here did some nice selections. So the first thing I want to point out is these are going to be hurricane windows. You see there's no studs around the sides of the windows. There are no shutters in the garage, so you have to have one or the other. And so this particular person had opted to go with the hurricane windows. And this has a nice transom window up above, so that's going to let in a good bit of light on the inside. Now again, there's not, most of the lights in here are not set up to work, so we're going to have to work off of the natural light that's there in this house. This has some really nice dark hardwood floors, and I'm going to show you a sample of it in just a few minutes. Nice tall ceilings in here, so I would imagine that these ceilings in here are going to be very close to 11 or 12 feet. So when you first walk in, the entranceway is very wide. Oh, and look at what we have out the back. This is quite a treat. These are sandhill cranes, and there's a little baby there as well. They're not very friendly birds, so you don't want to get too close to them. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so this has got what they call corner pocket sliders. So they form a corner here for the windows, and they're going to slide way back into a pocket in the back so that if you open these up, you'll have total open windows to the outside. And on this home, eventually there'll be a screened-in lanai here that'll have screens there so that you can open this up and not have any bugs come into the house when this is open. Again, you have another set of transom windows in this area here. Kind of got sidetracked by those sandhill cranes. That's going to be the wall for your media center, and they have a lot of electronics already hooked up. The kitchen is quite large. A nice waterfall cabinet, as you can see there. Now this house has set up to come, that opening space that you see over there, of course one is for the refrigerator, but the other one is for a double oven, and then it looks to me like they're going to have one of those microwave oven that are the drawer type, where the drawer just slides open and you set the food down in it and close the drawer. And we do have gas here in this community, so this is set up for a gas cooktop. And it is going to have some type of vent system to the outside. A large 3-car garage. And if I'm not mistaken, this house will have a tankless hot water heater on it, gas. When you first come in from the garage, there is a massive laundry room here. They'll have a sink, a place to fold and clothes, a washer and dryer hooked up, and again, there's a gas pipe there for a gas dryer. Nice window. Love having a window in a laundry room. That makes a world of difference, especially when you're separating socks. Good sized wall there. You could put a table, a workspace there if you wanted to. And then when you come in this garage door to the other side, they put on a sliding barn door here. And so that is what they call a mudroom or a drop zone. So that's going to have, see, have any light? Oh, I have light in here. So that's just going to be a room for a drop zone, and you can keep it covered with that sliding door. On this side, you have a pantry for the kitchen, already built in with the shelves. Back on this side is the master bedroom. I'll put the dimensions right in below the screenshots here. You have nice triple windows there and a single window there, and this looks out over the pond. And then on the left side here, there's going to be a preserve, so that won't be built on out there. So you have one closet that has bypass doors with an upper shelf and a lower shelf. And then you have one full walk-in closet. It already has some shelves built in. This will actually be a good opportunity for a built-in master closet with a bank of drawers and high-low hangers. Separate water closet in here in the master with double sinks and a long countertop. Another linen closet. And this is going to have, this is a little odd, this is going to have just a walk-in shower. Again, a set of transom windows. But for some reason, it looks like they do not have this plumbed for a tub, for a freestanding tub. So not quite sure why they did that, but that's what they wanted. The price of this home, with all the upgrades that they have in it, is coming in very close to $1.2 million. We'll walk out here in a minute, but you can see it's already stubbed for a outdoor kitchen, and I think that in this plan they had an outdoor kitchen figured into that price. On this side, you have 3 bedrooms. This is this is great for an in-law type suite because this is an ensuite bathroom, just a walk-in shower with the vanity and the toilet. And this bedroom is a pretty good size. Another set of windows in here that actually looks out where the outdoor kitchen will go. And then this one has a full walk-in closet in it. Now on the home plan for the Solana, it actually showed all the rooms with walk-in closets, but they decided to make the rooms a little bit bigger and reduce the closet size. Now this is a dual vanity because this is going to serve two bedrooms, number 3 and number 4. And this one does have a tub shower combination, and it's tile all the way to the ceiling. So this is I guess you could call this the 3rd bedroom. Window out to the front road. Again, a closet, and this one has the bypass doors on it. And then a fourth bedroom. A couple sets of windows in this one. And again, reach-in closet with bypass doors. One of the really great features about this house is going to be the view. As you can see, coming in the front door, that looks great. This lanai area is pretty good space. This is a big lanai. And you can see that this house would be perfect for a pool. They had an option for a pool package on this, and the pool package was about $110, but evidently they haven't started the pool yet, so maybe they're not going to include it on this particular house. And that was not in the price of the 1.2. So this is the preserved view in the back. Now, one thing I would point out is that for those that really love their privacy, there is a sidewalk back here. So as you can see, the sidewalk goes all the way over to the amenities center, comes right behind this house, and goes right onto that boardwalk, which crosses out over that preserve. Now that's great, you know, if you live here and you want to take a walk every day, but for those that don't want somebody walking in their backyard, it might not be the best, but some people don't mind that. They enjoy the company and people coming by and visiting. So I hope you've enjoyed that little tour here of this particular model home here in the Isles by Toll Brothers. And like I said before, if you get value out of this video, just click that little subscribe button and ding the little bell. And if you'd like, if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section below and I'll answer them as quickly as possible. And I appreciate the time that you all devote to my YouTube channel. The following is very humbling and I really appreciate it. I get calls all the time from people from YouTube, calls, emails, texts, so if I can help you out, I'd be more than happy to. Mark Boehmig, Michael Saunders and Company.